Welcome to our TechQu channel. Today, we will take you through the complete process of a sugar syrup manufacturing plant used in beverage, juice, dairy, and liquid food industries. The process begins with sugar syrup preparation. In this stage, sugar and water are mixed in a preparation tank and heated up to 90 degrees Celsius. The syrup is then processed through a batch homogenizer to ensure complete dissolution of sugar and uniform mixing. In the second stage, the syrup passes through a filter press, where impurities and unwanted particles are removed. The filtered syrup is then cooled rapidly from 80 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius using a plate heat exchanger, helping maintain product quality and process efficiency. In the third stage, flavors, colors, and other ingredients are added to the prepared syrup. High-speed and low-speed mixers ensure proper blending and consistent taste throughout the batch. Finally, in the filling section, the finished flavored beverage is hygienically filled into PET bottles or glass bottles and prepared for packaging and distribution. This complete system ensures high efficiency, consistent product quality, and reliable production performance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.